Assalamualaikum students, hope so you will be fine. Today we will revise the topic germs in food. In this topic we will discuss about the methods of preservation of food. There are a number of methods to preserve food. The first method is freezing or drying. Basically, freezing delays spoilage of food and keeps food safe by preventing microorganisms from growing. How? In freezing, the water in the food freezes into crystals. It becomes unavailable to those microorganisms that need it for growth. In drying process, the water is also removed and water becomes unavailable to the microorganisms for their growth. The second process is sterilization. Sterilization basically is a controlled heating process used to completely eliminate all living microorganisms. Third process is canning. Canning is also a preservation method that involves placing foods in jars or containers like pickles and heating them to a temperature that destroys microorganisms that cause food to spoil. But during this process, air is removed out of the jar. The next method is adding preservatives. Preservatives basically are chemicals that added to food to fight spoilage caused by bacteria, mold, fungus and other microorganisms like yeast. The last method is pasteurization. In this process, foods are treated with mild heat or temperature, usually to less than 100 degrees Celsius, to eliminate pathogens. These are the methods to preserve food. Germs need certain conditions to breed. They cannot breed in food if it is kept very dry or frozen, because the water is removed or freezes that is available to the microorganism for their growth. If food has been sterilized, it can be kept free from germs. Eating fresh vegetables that have not been washed may also lead to illness. Eating unwashed spoiled food or uncovered food is also one of the main ways germs get into your body. Processed foods are kept safe as they are sealed in plastic or in tins. Air is kept away from the foods. Some foods can be kept from going bad by the use of chemicals. When certain chemicals are added to food, germs cannot breed in it. Foods that have been packed in a factory usually have chemicals that are known as preservatives added to them. Milk can be preserved for a while by a process called pasteurization. To pasteurize milk, it is first heated to 60 degrees Celsius or less than 100 degrees Celsius and then cooled quickly. Most of the germs are killed off in this process. Now we'll discuss the questions. Concept check on page number 17. First question: why should we wash fruits and vegetables before eating them? We should wash fruits and vegetables before we eat to remove any dirt and germs. Next question: which creatures carry germs on their feet and like to land on food? Basically, flies are the creatures that carry germs on their feet. Next concept check. Question number 1. What are the methods used to preserve food? Methods used to preserve food are: first one, freezing or drying, sterilization, canning, adding preservatives, and last is pasteurization. Question number 2. What should we always do before handling or eating food? And the answer is that we should always wash our hands before handling or eating food. What should we always do before handling or eating food? We should always wash our hands before handling or eating food. Now we will discuss the exercise question number 7. Part 1. How are germs kept out of tinned foods? The answer to this question: air is removed during the canning process to prevent new microorganisms from entering the cans. In this way, germs are kept out of the tinned foods. Question number 7, part 2. What is pasteurization? Basically, pasteurization is the process of heating milk to 60 degrees Celsius to destroy the germs in it and make it last for longer. Okay students, these are all about the methods of preserving food. Hope so you will understand. Thank you for listening.